हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। दिस इज सोनिया कौशिक एंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग अवर चैप्टर मूवमेंट एंड लोकोमोशन फ्रॉम क्लास 11th एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड लास्ट टाइम द skeleton system in our lab, and now I am going to give you a brief idea that how many bones are present in our skeleton system and which part includes how many bones, right? So let's start. So my dear students, in human skeleton system there are total 206 bones. टोटल बोन्स कितनी है स्टूडेंट्स? 206 है, एंड दैट इज प्रिंसिपली डिवाइडेड इनटू टू डिविजन्स. वन डिवीजन इज एक्सियल skeleton that contains 80 bones, and second main division is appendicular skeleton that include total 126 bone, right? So let's start axial skeleton first. पहले हम एक्सियल skeleton डिस्कस करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. तो देखिए, एक्सियल skeleton में टोटल 80 bones है. which parts come in it? skull, vertebral column, sternum and ribs. Skull includes 22 bones, vertebral column 26 bones, sternum that is also called chest bone, इसको chest bone भी बोलते हैं. And students, very important, it have red bone marrow. That helps in RBC formation, right? This is single bone. Then ribs, it is 12 pair. Skull that have 22 bones that are divided into cranial bones and facial bone. Cranial bones are 8, facial bones are 14, and this frontal bone, this forehead bone, this is common bone in skull and facial bone. Alright, so now coming to vertebral column, total 26 bone. Different types of vertebrae are there. Cervical vertebrae 7, thoracic vertebrae that come in thoracic region, that are 12, lumbar vertebrae 5, sacral 1 fused, coccygeal 1 fused, that is in tail region. Now coming to ribs, students, you know 12 pairs of ribs form a rib cage, and that have total 12 pairs of ribs. First 7 pairs are true ribs because they are directly connected to sternum, and the types of ribs are bicephalic. Why they are called bicephalic? Because in the you can say on the ventral side they are connected to sternum, and on the dorsal side they are connected to vertebral column. 12 pairs of ribs. First 7 pairs are true ribs because they are directly connected to sternum. 8, 9, 10th pair, these are false ribs. They are not directly connected to sternum. They are connected with the help of hyaline cartilage. And one floating ribs are there. Pair 11th and 12th are called floating ribs, that are you can say that protects our kidneys and that are not connected to sternum. Alright, or they are connected to the back side only in vertebral column. Okay, and one more U-shaped bone, that is called hyoid bone, that is present in the base of buccal cavity, and our middle ear contains 3 ear ossicles. These are malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is the smallest ear ossicle, or you can say smallest bone in our body. और muscles में भी students अगर हम बात करें, stapedial muscle is the smallest muscle, right? चलिए, so ये था हमारा axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton में students limbs आते हैं, forelimbs and hind limbs. You know we have a pair of forelimb and a pair of hind limbs. So we are going to discuss one forelimb and one hind limb and the bones, and you can multiply them with 2, so you will know how many total bones are there. So total bones in appendicular skeleton are 126. Forelimb contains 30 bone, one forelimb contains 30 bone, and one hind limb contains 30 bones. So in forelimb, you know there is a bone that is called humerus, then radius ulna. These are wrist bone that are called carpals. These are metacarpals, palm bones. These are phalanges. So here this is humerus, like here it is humerus, then radius, one ulna, carpals. These carpals are wrist bone that is present in our wrist. So 8 wrist bones are there. Metacarpal, that is our palm bone. These are also 5. Phalanges, that are digits, that are 14 in number. चलिए, coming to hind limb, same 30 bones are there. Leg के अंदर उल्टा जो हमारी thigh bone है, that is called femur, that is the longest bone in our body. सबसे बड़ी bone है students. So one femur, then one tibia, one fibula, tarsal. जैसे यहाँ पे कार्पल है तो वहां पे क्या है, टार्सल, जो एंकल बोन की तरफ होंगे स्टूडेंट्स. तो दैट आर 7, मेटाटार्सल 14, phalanges again 14 and patella. knee के ऊपर जो एक cover होता है students, cup shape cover on the knee, that is called patella, and that is also called kneecap, right? So this is all about axial and appendicular skeleton. If you are preparing for NEET, so you must have idea that how many bones are specifically present in which part of our skeleton. And so basically axial and appendicular skeleton we have discussed. So my dear students, these four limbs are present in our pectoral girdle. This girdle, this upper one is called pectoral girdle, and the lower one, that is called pelvic girdle, that contains hind limbs. Alright, so our hind limbs again you can say connected to a pubic symphysis, and again in on the pectoral girdle we have collar bones and we have clavicles, we have discussed last time. Alright, so if you not have seen my first lecture on skeleton system, so go through the first lecture first, then you will better understand this lecture. Right, I hope this video will helpful for you all. Goodbye, thank you.